In a world that never seems to slow down, where every day comes with its own challenges, where the noise of life can sometimes become too much, there is a place where you can simply breathe, a place where the heart finds peace, where the mind becomes calm, and where nature reminds you that no matter what you're going through, there is always hope. Welcome to Mazingira Park. Imagine stepping away from the busy streets, leaving behind the pressure, the stress, the endless noise, and entering a place where the beauty of nature welcomes you with open arms. At Mazingira Park, every moment is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself, to sit quietly, to think deeply, to share beautiful moments with the people you love, or simply to enjoy your own company. Here, the gentle breeze speaks a language of peace. The sound of nature creates a beautiful melody, and every corner offers you a chance to pause, reflect, and appreciate the simple beauty of life. Mazingira Park is more than just a place. It is an experience. It is a reminder that sometimes all we need is a quiet moment, a peaceful environment, and a little time away from the noise to find our strength again. Whether you are looking for a peaceful place to relax, a beautiful environment to spend time with family and friends, a quiet spot for meaningful conversations, or simply somewhere to escape the pressure of everyday life, Mazingira Park is waiting for you. Come and create memories that will stay with you. Come and enjoy the beauty of nature. Come and discover the peace that comes with you. Slow down and allow yourself to breathe. Because life is not only about rushing to the next destination, sometimes life is about stopping, looking around, listening to the silence, feeling the breeze, watching the beauty around you, and remembering that tomorrow can still be better. At Mazingira Park, we believe that peace can inspire hope, that nature can heal the spirit, and that every person deserves a moment to rest, reflect, and recharge. So, when the world feels too loud, when life feels too busy, when you need a place to clear your mind, remember there is a quiet spot waiting for you. A place where you can leave the worries behind and take a moment for yourself. A place where tranquility offers hope. A place where nature meets peace. A place where memories are made. A place you can simply be. Mazingira Park is open for everyone. Welcome one, welcome all.